Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we have a set of four, that's what I said, 4-pack of a manufacturer called Biling, B-I-L-I-N-G. And this is a 4-pack of LED lights, and they are absolutely amazing. And we're going to find out if they get the JoeteckTips International rating. So we're going to take some pictures of these. Now this is 266 LEDs per LED. And there's 4 of them in here. And we're going to check out the brightness and everything like we always do in the past. And by the way, welcome to JoeteckTips' new recording studio. So this is my new place. And anyway, without further ado, let's get back into this review. So these are LED lights. You know JoeteckTips. I do this all the time, all day long. This is amazing. And this is a 4-pack. So here's 2, and here are the other 2. And we're going to shut the lights off. And we're going to check these things out and see how well they are. Alright, so now we're going to shut off the lights. Alright, so this is 1. So we'll put 1 there. We'll turn this one on. Okay, this one's on. Alright, so we got 3 working. And they're all shining on me, so I'm doing the review with the lights like I always have done. Now remember, it was pitch black. So I'm going to stop moving. And we'll let these things go dark. There's 1, 2, 3. There we go. Now, I'm going to move. And and that one comes on. There we go. The lights are working really well. So now we're going to go outside, mount them on the fence, and see how well they do outside. Alright, so that light here is on motion to full brightness. That one's on to dim. Right? And we're going to move forward so you can see the difference. So that's full brightness. And you can see how much light output. Actually, can you even see? Go to this one. So this one's a little dimmer because the light output, the battery is a little weaker than this one. So this one I'm going to shut off and let it charge because it's definitely weaker for sure. So we'll leave that one off. And this one will be on. It actually is pretty good. I'm surprised you just can't see. It's working out really well. I guess the camera's not doing its justice. But you can see quite a bit for such a small light. Now remember, the yard is huge. It's really big. So we're not trying to see how much light. So we're going to walk over here. And there's another set of lights I want you to see. The other 2 lights are over here. And I want you to see that light output and see when that actually kicks in for the motion sensing. And they're over here. Let's see. Okay, there's 1. Here's the other. Let's turn around. All right, so remember, this backyard is tremendous. So these little lights are not going to, it's really for close proximity. And that's what it is. Close proximity. So let me go over here so you can kind of see. This backyard is a ½ acre, so it's going to take a lot of light to light up this backyard. And this is doing really well considering what they are. So I'm going to give this the JoeteckTips 4-star rating because the batteries are not technically replaceable by the normal person. You need to have some sort of, you need some sort of capability soldering wise, and that's unacceptable to me, especially if you're buying something at almost $60 a piece. I mean, for the pair, or I'm sorry, $60 for 4 of them, just about $10 each. They should be replaceable, user replaceable batteries, a little bit easier than what they are. So let's go back inside. So as you can see, those lights work pretty well considering, remember, that backyard is tremendous, so you're not going to really see the light capability of it, but it's pretty impressive for what they are. And for that, I'm giving it the JoeteckTips 4-star rating because of the battery not giving, it's not user replaceable. So other than that, and as of always, I'm going to have a link in the description below to purchase these. So if you have a smaller property, like around the garage and stuff like that, or on the fence, and you want to light stuff up, this is going to rock. Incredibly awesome, and it's going to be absolutely really great light output for what they are. The fourth one that I didn't get working got working. The battery is a little low. That's the reason why it wasn't turning on as I wanted. But anyway, enough said. I beat the crap out of this product long enough. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.